This is so super amazing ये देखने में कि a superstar like Rajkumar Rao and a global star like Priyanka Jonas Chopra is giving a chance to a newcomer like Adarsh Gaurav, and asking him to take the lead is so super amazing. It's like game changing and like seriously goosebumps to this thought, and it's like a kind of a revolutionary change, and I wish to see this more. Hello everyone, this is Emily. क्या हाल है? So guys, आज मैं एक ट्रेलर रिएक्शन करने जा रही हूँ. Oh sorry, टीजर ट्रेलर रिएक्शन करने जा रही हूँ on the trailer of The White Tiger, starring Priyanka Chopra, my favorite, all of our favorite guys. Desi girl, oh Desi girl. Wow, 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 wow. Oh my god, I'm super excited for this. Rajkumar Rao again, my favorite, and Adarsh Gaurav. Okay, so wow, newcomer. Oh my god, I'm super excited for this. So like I don't know if he's a newcomer or not, but Adarsh Gaurav, I have not seen him, so I'm super excited to watch him for the first time. And मैंने सुना है कि उनकी जो acting है in the trailer is super awesome to watch, so I am super excited to watch the trailer. So guys, let's watch, and it's going to be produced on Netflix. So let's watch. So watching on my phone, and here I go. Okay, nice cover. One more thing before reacting to the trailer, I just wanted to say The White Tiger is based on the New York Times bestseller and 2018 Man Booker Prize winning novel. Okay, so ये जो basically White Tiger जो बनाया गया है is basically inspired from a novel which has already won Man Booker Prize. It's a winning novel and it's the bestseller according to the New York Times 2008. So wow. Okay, so guys, all the time let's watch, and I'm super excited for this. So here I go. Let's watch.
When you come to India, you'll meet hundreds of millions of servants like me.
Driver, sorry, what's your name?
Sir, Balram sir.
Balram, I got it. No worries. Dude, seriously, I got it. I love this song. Turn it up.
The desire to be a servant had been bred into me. Sir, you should represent India in the Olympics. You are a great man who's going to do great things in India, sir.
I think it's wrong the way you work for us. What is it that you want to do?
I want to serve you and Ashok sir.
No, you can't possibly believe that.
My master is a good man. A good man. He's a rich man.
Here in India, there are only two kinds of people. Those with big bellies and those with small bellies. I was trapped. And don't believe for a second there's a $1 million game show you can win to get out of it.
You're my driver.
I'm just one who has woken up while the rest of you are still sleeping.
There is only one way to break free. And that takes no normal human being, but the creature. It gets born only once every generation. The White Tiger. It's a century of the brown man and the yellow man, and God save everybody else.
Wow guys, I mean honestly there's like goosebumps if you can see, like if the camera can focus. My god guys, okay, Honestly guys, जब मैंने ये line सुना कि now I'm awake and the rest of you guys are sleeping, that just hit me like anything, and I was struck by goosebumps and all. So मुझे वो part बहुत ही अच्छा लगा, and wow, this is so stunning to watch. Adarsh Gaurav and how he has like put up his character and justified his character so amazingly. Like मुझे उनको देख के बहुत ही अच्छा लगा, and for the first time I'm watching him and I'm like now I'm starting to become a fan of his acting. So मुझे बहुत ही अच्छा लगा उनकी acting. So Adarsh Gaurav, hats off to you, thumbs up to you and your acting. Keep up the good work. So मुझे वो बहुत ही अच्छा लगा. Comment down below about how you felt about his acting. So acting skills मुझे तो बहुत ही अच्छा लगा. Like you know, he was so accurate and he was so apt. So it was like thumbs up for me. And like honestly guys, his dialogue delivery was so super amazing कि मुझे तो एकदम, you know, there was like goosebumps आ गया. So I literally enjoyed it. And yeah, and honestly बताऊँ, so it was the driver and it was only Adarsh's role that was there in the White Tiger, and he was, I guess, he symbolized the White Tiger, and Rajkumar Rao and Priyanka Chopra were honestly like not there even in the whole part. This is so super amazing ये देखने में कि you know, a superstar like Rajkumar Rao and a global star like Priyanka Jonas Chopra is giving a chance to a newcomer like Adarsh Gaurav, and you know, asking him to take the lead is so super amazing. It's like game changing and like seriously goosebumps to this thought, and it's like a kind of a revolutionary change, and I wish to see this more. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा. Like honestly, this is like a game changing stuff. This is like so new and this is really amazing. Hats off to the stars who are really taking this kind of initiative and you know, promoting new talents like Adarsh Gaurav. So hats off to both of you, Rajkumar Rao and Priyanka Chopra. So it's really awesome. So I really like this concept and the whole concept of White Tiger ki, you know, the haves and the contrast that they have like portrayed between the haves and the have-nots. And you know, जो लोग खा नहीं पाते हैं, जो लोग मतलब बहुत ही कम में रहते हैं, and whereas the rich, you know, the contrast between them has been shown so amazingly is really commendable. So yeah, like the contrast was really amazing. So मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा. Like the whole concept of the White Tiger is amazing, and if you haven't watched the trailer yet, go and watch the trailer. It's on Netflix channel, the YouTube channel. So I really loved it. And guys, मुझे सच में पता नहीं था that it is released like 16 hours ago, but now I'm making the review and I hope you guys like this. And I am really looking forward to watch the like the series, or I don't know, it's a series or it's a movie. If you know, comment down below. I'm a little confused that it's a series or it is a movie. So I'm really looking forward to watch the White Tiger. Are you? Comment down below. So yeah, that's what I felt about this whole trailer, teaser trailer. So it's a thumbs up for me. It's like 10 on 10 for me. So yeah, so that's what I felt about this whole video, guys. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up. Please just subscribe to what's happening. Please do subscribe to my channel, guys. Really need your support, and also share this video if you agree with me. And also guys, if you want to make any suggestions or anything, any mistakes that I made, please do correct me. Comment down below about the whole mistake or anything you want to comment, or any recommendations you want to make. Please do comment down below. It means a lot to me. So yeah, this is Rutra, that fat girl. Bye. Have a great day and stay safe always.